Today I'm going to show you how you can implement the automation using LinkedIn API and ChatGPT. Specifically, it is a terminal GPT. So let's see how can you do it. So what's this project is all about? Basically, I have written the Python script that automates the process of posting on the LinkedIn. Here it is how it works. First, we can see the ChatGPT is via TGPT helps me to generate a LinkedIn post, and the LinkedIn API lets me to post it instantly to my account, all in just one click. Sounds cool, right? Let's me walk you through the steps. Let's break down the key component of this project. You will need the two APIs, the LinkedIn API and the other one is the ChatGPT. So to implement the LinkedIn API, first you need the client ID and the client secret, and also the redirected URI. And another one is Terminal GPT. For Terminal GPT, we are using the PyTGPT. But Terminal GPT is available on the GitHub. We have to use just a few lines of the codes to implement it. You can also generate the image by using this Git repository. So let's see the setting up the LinkedIn API. To begin, we need to set up a LinkedIn API. You shall have to first register in your LinkedIn app on the LinkedIn developer portal to get the access token for the API authentication. To pay, I have already created my app here. From here, you have to go to the auth, and here you can see in my client ID and the client secret. Here is the URL. You need to be specific with that URL because it is a redirected URL. And to create an access token, you need to go to the here 2.0 tools. Just click here and simply click on this button, create token, and create your token for the project. Once you get your client ID, client secret, and the URL and access token, just replace with this X with your original client ID and client secret and redirect URL and your token. Here is a syntax to create the post. You can write whatever prompt you want to create the post. Once you're done with that, let's see how the API structure looks like. So in the message, you have to pass the prompt generated by TGPT, and in the message variable, you have to pass that prompt, means the string we have generated. As the share media category is the article, you have to compulsory pass the link with that article. Here you can pass any link you want. Once we combine the both, the ChatGPT will create the post, and the LinkedIn API will automatically publish it with just one click. So let me show you how it works. As you can see, the process is seamless. The prompt, one click, and the post is on live on LinkedIn. And hit that subscribe button for more awesome content. Don't forget to comment below if you have any questions or suggestions for the future projects. Thank you for watching. I shall see you in the next one.